Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Bit of a different video for you today. As you can see, I have my rings in front of you, in front of the camera, and I have this little tub of cleaning solution. I thought I'd give my rings a bit of a scrub. So I'll run through the rings. This was a birthday present from my dad, his partner, and my nan. I was 30 this year, and this was the present from them, so that's holds a lot of sentimental value to me. This one I bought with my wages, my first wages. I bought this. It's just a small 3-row keeper ring. So both of those two, they're gold. This one is it's I think it's jeweler's bronze. I think is made from. It's just a St. George's ring, St. George's medallion ring. I love sovereign rings. I'm not the kind of person that you'd typically expect the last two rings for someone to own. I can't afford a real sovereign ring because they are mega money. And yeah, so I thought I'd go for the cheaper jeweler's bronze option. And this ring is quite big. It is massive. It's just another jeweler's bronze, just a keeper ring. Again, in gold, these are super expensive and I just can't afford it. So I thought I'd pluck for the cheaper option. So I thought I'd do the two gold ones on their own first, and then I'll do the bronze ones afterwards. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I know what I need to do. I need to put the rings. One, come on. Two, need to put those on there, leave them there for 30 seconds, give them a brush, rinse them off. I've got a polishing cloth that I will use to polish them. So here we go, and they are submerging. Okay, that is 30 seconds, so let's bring them out. I'll use the brush to pick them up. Okay, let's give them a scrub. What do you think, Danny? Really got scrub. Give them a brush. That's that one. And now I do this one. Okay, right. So while those two sat there, no, I got that wrong. While these two, sorry, I'll put these in the bucket, in the tray rather, and while those two are soaking, I will rinse off the gold ones. Okay, so that one's going in, and that one's going in. Okay, in they go for 30 seconds. Okay, that is 30 seconds. Out they come. I realised I probably should have just rinsed them and dried them off all at the same time, but hindsight is a wonderful thing. Okay, going to give them a brush now. The website I got these two rings from, the St. George's medallion and the keeper ring, because they're jeweler's bronze, it did say the best way to clean them was with brass polish. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that, and I can't go to the shops because it is 10:30 at night. So we'll see how well they come up with this. I hope I don't damage them by doing this. It did say you could clean them with gold and silver cleaner, jewelry cleaner, so hopefully we'll be all right. Do the inside. Okay, so I'm going to rinse these off, and then we'll come back. Okay, so all four rings have now been in the solution and they are brushed and rinsed off. So I'm probably going to start with the gold rings first. So give them a bit of a scrub. I mean, look at that. Is that dirt coming off of that? I imagine it probably is. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but in real life, that's like in my eyes instead of the camera. That is shining up a treat. Yeah, excellent. All right, we'll give this one a go. So it says to use this white outer bit of the cloth first, and then we go to the darker side afterwards. So we'll do this to all four rings first, and then we'll go to the darker side. I mean, these are shining up a treat. I mean, these are coming up really well. I'm impressed. I don't know if this will turn the cloth green because it is obviously bronze. Hang on. Is there two here? Oh, look at that. Oh, well, there you go. I had no idea it unfolded. Quite what the purpose of it unfolding is, I don't know. But there we are. I mean, these are looking good. I mean, yeah, this is coming up a treat. Excellent. I mean, my thumb is looking, my finger as well, are looking a bit dirty. Yeah, I probably should have worn gloves, but ain't got any. Okay, so that's that side done. I mean, look at that. And now we move on to this, the darker side, to buff it up apparently. Yeah, these are looking really good. Oh, look at that. So I was looking at it. I mean, look how shiny that is. I mean, I don't know if it's coming up very well in the video, but in like off like in, looking through it through my eyes, these are coming up really well. I mean, this looks really good. I'm really impressed with this. Onto the bigger ones. I mean, that looks awesome. Yeah, loving that. Have I used it wrong? Am I supposed to flip it over? We'll try. Gets this far in before he realizes he might have messed up a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, these are looking really good. Nice and shiny. Move on to the bigger one. I mean, it is quite awkward wearing this ring, but I mean, I do really like it. Squeaky chair. Gonna swap hands. we are. I realise I should have taken some before and after pics, but I was too eager to get in and really give these guys a bit of a tart up that I just completely forgot. Yeah, so I think that will probably do it for this video. Literally just, yeah, I just thought I'd give my rings a polish. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how these came out. Really impressed. And I realise I'm touching them now and I've got dirty fingers from the metal, but they're just really nice now. Like, it's given them such a new lease of life. It is really cool. Yeah, I love to see it. So I think that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to give my rings a bit of a polish, as I just said. And I thought, why not film it? Something new, something different that I've not done before. Something new for the channel as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you're still this far in, that's very much appreciated. Don't forget to give that like button a little tickle. And if you really liked it, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I will see you then.